Hey, what's going on, my friends? It's your boy CM Panzer again with another awesome video. Today I'm going to be showing you a very potent smoothie. It's called a blueberry blast. The main ingredient is blueberries. Of course, I'll be adding some other things as well, just to add some nutrients and some flavor. Now, this smoothie really helps with weight loss, recovery after an intense workout. You can also use it as a pre-workout drink just to get that energy boost before you have an intense workout. And it's also great for detoxing. Let's get started. Hey guys, so our smoothie is ready to drink. Let's see what it tastes like. It's pretty thick and rich. I think it's that protein shake that we put on here that gives it that thick and rich taste to it. Anyways guys, thanks again for staying to the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching it and you learned something useful. Hey, just a quick question. Have you been struggling maybe to lose weight? Maybe you've tried different diets, you've tried many exercises, you listened to the so-called experts, they told you do this, do that, and it just wasn't working for you. I want to recommend something to you. It's called the Forever F15 program. It's a great weight management program that allows you to lose weight in just 15 days. Not only do you lose weight, but you also feel healthier and more confident with your body. I've used it on my own body. In fact, more than just once. In fact, I'll put a link in the description that shows you a 24-day challenge where I completely transformed my body in just 24 days using the Forever F15 program. I've also put in a link in the description about the Forever F15 program in case you want to learn more about it. Anyways guys, you've been awesome. Thank you so much once again for watching till the end. If you really liked the video, hit that like button. And also, please subscribe to my channel. Subscription is free, you'll never be charged for it. If you subscribe, it allows you to get more notifications every time I post an awesome video like this one. Until then, let me enjoy my smoothie. Mmm.